Hello everyone, this is Miss Begum. I thought I'd make this video to make everyone aware of something that is happening in lots of houses in our Grange community. A lot of people are very busy preparing for it and getting ready for it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm hoping that you can guess. Okay, I'll give you some clues. Okay, it's very important to a lot of our Muslim... Oops. Did I just give it away? Right, I'll give you a clue. It's got something to do with the Muslim community in our Grange Primary. And it has something to do with the sighting of the moon. Now, were you able to guess it? Well done. It was Ramadan. Okay, and I was trying to be a bit more discreet, but obviously it didn't work. And I just gave it away. Okay, Ramadan is a holy month for Muslims all around the world, and the date of the start of Ramadan is always slightly different each year depending on the position of the moon. Once Ramadan starts, Muslims should not eat or drink between sunrise and sunset. They usually continue for 30 days, but sometimes 29 days. Okay. And during that time, it teaches Muslims about being patient, thinking about spiritual things. It is a time for Muslims to think about how the poor and the homeless suffer without lots of food. It helps Muslims to be more obedient and less greedy. And during Ramadan, Muslims ask for forgiveness, they pray and ask for lots. Okay, Muslims believe that Ramadan is a month in which the first verse of the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. Now, the Quran is a very holy book to the Muslims, and people during Ramadan try to read it quite a lot and try to understand and take the messages from it and try to put it into practice. So I'm going to talk about how Muslims might be preparing for Ramadan. Okay, one of the things is by moon sighting. Okay, so when Muslims can see the first crescent shape of the new moon, it means that the month of Ramadan has begun. Okay, and I know that I will probably be looking out for it tomorrow at some point with my family. Many Muslims around the world go out at night. They peer through their windows to see the Ramadan moon for themselves. Probably won't be going out, but maybe look out the window. Have a go and see if you can spot the crescent moon. But before you go and sight the moon, here's something that you can do that might help you, and that is to make your own telescope. Okay, and it's really, really easy and simple. All you need is a kitchen roll, or some form of Pringle tube, or something that you might have a cylinder shape, and then you just decorate it with lots of pretty colours or cover it up with stickers, however way you want to, and then use that to help you sight the moon. If you don't have anything which is cylinder shaped, then you can just use a piece of paper and you just roll it up, put some tape on it, and then decorate it like that. Well, I would decorate it first before I tape it. Or if you have a piece of card, you can use the card too. Okay. So, once you've made your telescope, you can use your telescope to check this moon every night and keep a moon diary of it on a piece of paper. Draw the shape of the moon that you see and keep a record and see if it changes. Okay.